Miss Philippines Earth Top 12 Standout sa press presentation ng Miss Philippines Earth 2025. Hello Karawalas, mabuhay! This is Giselle Ortega and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello! Kamusta po kayo lahat? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anumang oras kayo nanonood sa akin ngayon. Maraming pong salamat. Sa mga bago ko dyan subscriber, returning viewers, thank you so much sa mga sumusuporta. Sa mga hindi pa po dyan nakasubscribe, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Giselle Ortega, Cruella in Pageantry, and click the notification bell below para updated kayo when it comes na maglabas ako ng aking mga video. At ngayon, ilalabas ko na ang aking top 12 standout. Sabi ko na nga ba, top 10 lang yung kukunin ko, pero umabot talaga ng 12. Kasi na-realize ko na deserve naman ng iba, pero marami pang nagsistand out talaga na hindi po masyadong nakakalimutan ng iba. Pero ito ang aking top 10 standout. Babanggitin ko yung name, tapos may mga speech sila, may mga pagpakilala sila, saka mga sagot sa mga tanong ng mga ko at saka ng mga press ng bonggang-bongga. At eto na nga, number 12 sa aking listahan, Janine Custodio ng San Miguel, Bulacan. Let's watch this.
Hello everyone, I'm Janine P. Custodio, proudly representing the beautiful and vibrant San Miguel, Bulacan. My advocacy is about sustainable education in school. I believe that instead of applying sustainability at home, we should more focus in school where students learn. And as a teacher myself, I believe that the greener future lies in the young minds of our learners. Because I believe that education is our silver lining. Thank you.
O, diba? Mukhang ako lang yata ang nakakapansin kay Miss San Miguel, Bulacan. Pero, number 11. Number 11 at ako rin, feeling ko ako lang din nakakapansin sa kanya ng bongkong-bongkong. Beautiful niya, oh. Joanna Lee Ocol ng Phil Community ng Hawaii. Pakinggan niyo siya. Very eloquent ang lola niyo. Number 11 sa aking listahan.
Mabuhay and aloha! I'm Joanna Lee Ocol, Filipino Community of Hawaii. And my advocacy is simple. I want to remove the stigma against, hilot and ventosa, just the holistic health and healing wellness space. I think needs to be promoted more as another option compared to modern medicine. There's more than what we see in the eye is what I think my message is first and foremost.
Oh, diva. Mukhang may laban talaga siya ng bonggang-bongga. Number 10 sa aking listahan, Bayumbong, Nueva Vizcaya, at Tina Lodivico. Please watch this. Beautiful siya, promise.
Hello Philippines, this is your Miss Philippines Earth, Bayumbong, Nueva Vizcaya, Atina Inocencio Lodivico. And my advocacy is about agricultural and sustainable farming. Thank you. Miss Philippines Earth has always been true to their values, and I can personally attest to that. And based on what I've experienced with the girls, with the organization, they're just not helping us to become beautiful, to become knowledgeable, but they're also helping us to grow in life. And I think that that's the best experience that I can take in my stay in Miss Philippines Earth.
Diba? Ang sweet girl niya, tapos brainy pa, nakakaloka. Number 9 sa aking listahan, Malaybalay City, Dane Amante. Beautiful siya. Wala lang, maganda talaga siya sa personality.
Hi everyone, this is Dane Amante, your Miss Philippines Earth 2025, Malaybalay City, Bukidnon. So I am advocating for reviving roots, reforesting native flora through a community partnership because I have an indigenous roots and I am advocating for the reviving of our native flora. So guys, I am inviting you to watch our coronation night on August 10, 2025. That will be on Okada, Manila. See you there!
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Kabog talaga si Dane Amante. At number 8, sa aking listahan. May Rhea Kakam ng Oriental Mindoro, Pambibining Pilipinas to Miss Earth Philippines Kabog. So, let's watch this super bubbly personality.
Nawalan ako ng balance sa paa. So, pag gawalan ako, feel ko, matutumba po ako.
Sabi ko, nasa na to si girl? Iiwan na kami sa ere.
Hello everyone, this is Rhea Maneli Villanueva Kakam from the province of Oriental Mindoro, representing the municipality of Nauhan. You know what guys, my advocacy is simple yet straightforward and very essential. I advocate for proper waste disposal and for proper waste segregation. You know, most especially po may Typhoon Christine ngayon, so we can see ano po ba yung mga nakalutang dyan sa baha. Basura. So I think it should really start within our home. It should start within us as an individual. Therefore, pag lumabas po tayo within our community, within our universities, madadala po natin yung values and aspect of proper waste disposal and proper waste segregation. Kasi napakahalaga po niyan. Sobrang, it may be simple, di ba po? Sobrang simple kung sasabihin nyo, tapon ng maayos, mag-segregate ng basura. Pero it's something that most of us can't really and not really do. So, yun po, I really advocate for this and I hope to everyone that is watching this, itapon po natin sa tamang basurahan ng ating mga basura. Thank you so much and I am inviting all of you on August 10 at Tocada, Manila for the 25th Coronation Night of Miss Philippines Earth. Once again, this is Rhea Kakam, your Miss Philippines Earth Nauhan Oriental Mindoro, bidding you goodbye. Thank you everyone!
O, diba? Ang harot-harot namin, si Miss Rhea Kakam ng Oriental, siya talaga yung pinaka-loka-loka sa competition. Pero I love her. I love her personality. Amazing. Kaya pasok na pasok sa banga at number 8. My number 7 sa aking listahan, Chelsea De La Cruz ng Pandi, Bulacan. Let's watch this.
Here first, go.
Sa kanya lang kayo tingin. Video lang
Just
ako.
move forward. 1, 2, 3. And our video. Okay, go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 3.
Alam niyo ba guys, na si Panda Bulacan, mukhang siya yung isa sa mga quality when it comes sa technical aspect, pasarela, whatsoever, isa sa mga galing umaura. That's why pasok sa banga si Chelsea De La Cruz. My number 6 sa aking listahan, Antipolo City, Liz Mabahaw. O, ang ganda niya. Nagulat ako sa ganda niya. Hindi ko inaasahan. Nabigla rin ako sa kanyang tunay na kagandahan. Please watch this.
Good morning. I'm overjoyed with happiness and I just want to thank everyone who believed and supported me. And I promise to do my best to not fail.
Congratulations. And can you tell us more about your advocacy?
My advocacy is the preservation of our microbiomes. These are the tiny microorganisms that could be seen in our water, air, and our soil. This is essential in keeping our climate regulated, our oceans and water clean, and our air breathable.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Diba? Ang ganda niya, diba? Hindi ko ina-expect. Matangkad din siya. That's why pasok sa banga at my number 6, Liz Mabaw. Ngayon, pasok na tayo. Pumunta naman tayo guys doon sa aking top 5. Sino nga ba ang talagang pang top 5 materials sa press presentation? Stand out lang to ha. Wala pa tayo doon sa mga pa-advocacy nila. Ito lang naman yung stand out sa press presentation. My number 5 sa aking listahan, Juliana Denise Tan ng Las Piñas. Please watch this.
Hi, my name is Juliana Denise Tan, representing Las Piñas City. Actually, this is my first ever pageant, school national, first ever. But I chose to pursue this because since I was 14, I have been advocating for underconsumption. Because I noticed that we have normalized overconsumption. It's all over the internet, it's accepted, and I want to combat this. So even at 14, I've been strong-willed with my advocacy, encouraging people to consume less in this world that's always telling us to want more. My message is, it's not their fault, it's not your fault. what we need, those who are privileged enough to be educated and aware, we need to be more inclusive in the way that we communicate and educate others. By this, I mean we contextualize the education. Instead of announcing everything just in English or Tagalog, we can communicate. If you know a certain dialect or certain terms that can help raise awareness to these people, contextualize it to them so that they can be educated. Yes, I agree. We need the collaboration of our people and the government. But actually, there are a lot of existing policies that contribute to this. What we need is more implementation, less focus on relief operations or after the calamity, what we're gonna do. Kasi as Filipinos, we're known for resilience. Like, babangon tayo, dapat ngumiti after the storm, dapat mag-celebrate. But what if we prepare beforehand, right? What if we focus on the before to prevent the after?
Oh, di ba? Narinig naman ninyo ang brainy niya. Kayang lumaban, kayang makipagbardagulan sa International Beauty Pageant. Kaya pasok sa banga, Las Piñas, Juliana Dinistan. May number 4 sa aking listahan. Magugulat kayo, number 4 lang siya. Pero number 4 lang talaga eh. Joy Barcoma ng Bacoor, Cavite. Tsanananan!
Hello everybody, this is Joy Barcoma representing Bacoor City in Miss Philippines Earth 2025, the Silver Lining Edition. And for this year, I'm advocating for a disaster-resilient Philippines.
Oh, ayan na guys. Pasok na pasok sa number 4 si Joy Barcoma. May number 3 sa aking listahan. Hindi ko in-expect. Pinagtatawanan niyong lahat. Vanessa Kang ng West Coast, Zamboanga City. Pakinggan nyo. Amazing, beautiful.
Hello everyone, buenos dias. I am Vanessa Kang representing the West Coast of Zamboanga City. So my silver lining advocacy is evoking youth ecological consciousness. So why is that, you ask? It is because ever since then, I have been serving a non-profit environmental organization which promotes projects along our city in partnerships with local organizations as well. So I've always been passionate even before joining pageants. And I hope to share that to the whole earth as well.
Thank you. Medyo maliit lang talaga itong si Miss Vanessa. Kasi siguro nasa 5'6", pero lavan, amazing, beautiful. Kumbaga kaya makipagbardagulan doon sa figure and form at saka beauty of face. Pasok sa akin number 3. Number 2 sa aking listahan, Austri Sanchez ng Vegan Ilocosur. Amazing. Ganda-ganda niya talaga. Please watch this.
Actually, I did not expect any of this. So grateful because people have noticed all my efforts and all of the things that I've done, and you've seen that I'm capable of doing something. That's why I'm so grateful for today. Thank you all so much.
Then how does it feel that you won 2 special awards today?
Dalawa yun! Like I said, I did not expect any of those, but I'm very grateful. I'm actually in a lacrimal state right now, but it's all beautiful, and this is a beautiful day.
Okay. Where can they follow you, Austri? And message your fans and supporters.
Hello everyone, I hope you'll be able to follow me on my Instagram account and also on my Facebook account. On Instagram, it's at Austri. It spells like AUSTHRIE because my name is quite unusual. And on Facebook, it's Austri Sanchez.
Okay. Alright, and invite them to vote for you as well.
Yes, please guys, please vote for me for Best in Swimsuit, for Best in Cultural Costume, and also for Best in Evening Gown, so that we will be able to advance to the next or to the first spot and hopefully for the final cup as well.
Okay, why should you be our next Miss Philippines Earth 2025?
Beautiful question. Well, as you may know, just so you may know, I'm actually a graduate of BS Biology, and that is why I've learned so many things about our planet, so many beautiful things. But at the same time, I've also learned that we are the biggest contributor to the continuously or the gradual degradation of our Mother Earth. That is why I am here, mainly because I care, and I am here because I would like to speak up for the other creations of God as well, our animals, plants, and trees. And I am here to entice each and every one of you so that we can contribute something for the benefit not only of the humanity but most especially of our Mother Nature.
Thank you.
Thank you all so much. You're full a while ago, and I'm very speechless. But at the same time, I'm feeling really blessed right now because a lot of people notice what I'm capable of doing, and you know all the efforts that I've given for this competition because this is my dream pageant, Miss Philippines Earth.
Can you tell us more about your reason why you joined Miss Philippines Earth?
Oh yeah, like I mentioned, I'm actually a graduate of BS Biology and I major in medical biology. And I'm very fascinated about the world of science that I wanted to know more. That is why I took that program. But at the same time, I am here because I care for our environment. You know what? I am a compassionate woman. Not only because I care for our environment, but because I was actually raised by a 79-year-old single mother. And she taught me so many things. That is why I am here. And I would like to show to the world what I'm capable of doing. And hopefully, the world can also hear me. Because like I said a while ago, earlier, that to heal the earth is to heal the life itself.
Is this your first pageant?
No, not really. Actually, not.
How is your preparation different?
Actually, we put a lot of effort because, like I mentioned, this is my dream competition and I don't want to step on the stage without preparing because I want to be prepared so that I will be able to give my very best, to give the best version of myself for this competition.
Your message to your followers.
O diba, na-mesmerize din ba kayo sa tunay na ganda ni Ms. Vigan Elacosor Austri Sanchez? Ako din, naloka din ako, nabigla ako. And hopefully, umangat pa siya ng umangat ang bonggang-bongga. Kasi sa press presentation pala, isa siya talaga sa super standout. At ngayon, ang aking number 1 sa aking listahan sa nag-stand out para sa akin when it comes sa technical aspect at saka ginawa niya doong mga pa-interview at saka everything na ginawa dyan sa press presentation. Just a press presentation alone lang ha. Sa press presentation alone, wag na kayo makipaglaban. Angel Rose Tambal ng La Paz, Leyte. Bishing!
Hi Earth Angels! I am Angel Rose Campo Tambal, all the way from the province of Leyte, proudly representing the municipality of La Paz.
That's a hard question.
The government is already doing their best. Working in the Department of Public and Highways, so many projects, especially focusing on mitigating the effects of climate change, which is we can feel and see and experience in today's generation. So I think what we should do more for us as children of the earth is to support our government and do our part, our responsibility in taking care and preserving our environment.
Ayan na guys, nandyan na sa inyo, at nakita naman siguro ninyo ang aking standout top 12 sa press presentation ng Miss Earth Philippines or Miss Philippines Earth. So, sino ang kumabog at sino ang naligwak sa inyo sa press presentation ng Miss Philippines Earth? Comment down below lang kayo ng bonggang-bongga kung sang-ayon kayo sa aking top 12. Maraming salamat and thank you so much sa Miss Earth Philippines Organization. Thank you so much. This has been Gazel Ortega. Paalam, hanggang sa muli!